Okay, that sound is just horrible. The background is sounding pretty weird. Nothing like having a dog scratch one's butt. Garrett, where are you going? Rufus, Rufus, where are you going? Rufus, where are you going? Did you get Garen's itch that he couldn't reach?
It'd be sad if somebody couldn't reach right there.
He's gonna dig a hole in your shorts. Oh my goodness.